Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome back to my channel The Crochet Nest. Today we are going to make beautiful butterflies. As you can see, these are the butterflies with the embellishment of these beads. We will be needing a few of the essentials like a crochet hook. I'm going to use the crochet hook number 3.5, Tipitsy needle, beads, scissor and the thread for the sewing of the beads. We are going to make the middle part with the help of this dark brown yarn, and the wings with the help of this lilac color. So let's start with the project and make a beautiful butterfly. So to start our center part of the butterfly, we are using the brown color, dark brown color. So we have to take 5 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to use this first stitch as well. So half double crochet in the last stitch, and half double crochet in the same stitch. 2 half double crochet to make the tail of the butterfly. Now we are going to slip stitch in the further all chains. Single crochet. This is single crochet, 2, and this is going to be our third one. For the antennas of the butterfly, we have to little bit extend it and cut it out. To make it accurate and balanced with the other butterflies, I am going to measure it with the other butterflies. Now we are going to use a next color for our wings. It's a lilac color. We are not going to use these last 2 chains. We are going to start from here, the second one, because this is a tail of the butterfly, so we are not going to use it. So let's start from the second stitch. It's here, if you can see. We are not going to use this one. We are going to put our crochet hook in this stitch. One chain, half double crochet 3 times we will put in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Again slip stitch or 1 single crochet, come to the next stitch, slip, chain of 2, 1, 2. In the same stitch we are going to do the rest of the triplet crochets 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You will take 2 times roll over on your crochet hook and you will take out 3 times of your yarn. 1, 2 and 3. In the same stitch, chain 1, 2 and this is 3. One side of the wing is done. 1, 2 chains, close it with the slip stitch. I'm going to cut that out, so at the end we will sew it with the Tipitsy needle. One side of the butterfly. Now we are going to work on the second side of the wing, and we are going to make the upper side, the bigger wing first and the smaller wing second. The reason for doing this is because if you start working on the lower wing again, you will be having this side of the wing. So we don't want it difference in the positions of the wing. So that's why we are going to do the bigger wing first and the smaller wing second. So let's start with the bigger wing. As you know, we must carefully put our crochet hook in the stitch that we want to do work, because the balance is very important. 2 chains, roll over 2 times, take out 3 times, 1, 2, 3. Roll over 2 times in the same stitch. Take out 3 times. Roll over 2 times in the same stitch. Take out 3 times. 2 chains, slip stitch. Now work on the next chain. Here we are going to take first, we will take the slip stitch or 1 crochet, single crochet, half double crochet 3 times in the same stitch. 1, 2, and 3. Again single crochet in the same stitch, and we are going to cut this thread. These are the antennas of the butterfly, the bigger wing and the smaller wing, and you can see that all the wings are from the same side. If we had done the smaller wing for the second time, we will get this side over here, so we don't want that side from at the front. We want both sides equally at the front. So now we are going to put some beads in the middle of the butterfly to make it more beautiful. We are going to put 3 beads in the middle of the butterfly, 2, and this is the third one. One more time we will do it. To secure the beads. Secure the thread with single knot. Cut. So this is how we made our butterfly.